Back off stride, the rest on gate. Here they come. Fillies off and trotting, and it slips sliding away out fast on the outside. A Paulina Hanover graceful design put in play from the outside. Go for Gaga's 3 deep in driving, and Sierra Girl, the favorite, cuts the corner. Sierra Girl slips sliding away on the outside. Go for Gaga continues on from third. Paulina Hanover fourth on the inside. Kelly's Greatest is next. Then it's Graceful Design. She is gapping on the turn, followed by Crowbar Girl. And then comes Sakari Fashion on the inside with Magic B. And way back is Harley Quinn. First quarter was 28-2 across the backstretch. Go for Gaga paves the way at 13-1 on the board. Joe Bongiorno's tapping the brakes here, rationing out speed, slip sliding away, trotting in second. The favorite Sierra Girl bides her time third. Paulina Hanover fourth on the inside. Kelly's Greatest is fifth. Graceful Design gapped in sixth. Then it's Crowbar Girl and Sakari Fashion is next, and then a gap at 2 lengths to Magic B and Harley Quinn, the distant trailer. The half was 57-4, just 29-2 in the second quarter. With 3/8 to go on the far turn, Go for Gaga has it. Here comes Sierra Girl on the outside with dead aim. Slip sliding away, stays in the pocket spot. That's Paulina Hanover setting it up from second over, fourth on the outside. Kelly's Greatest is fifth. Graceful Design up third over, sixth on the outside. Then Crowbar Girl as they trot past 3/4 and come after. Go for Gaga. 126-4, well rated. Go for Gaga. Sierra Girl steamrolls first over on the outside for Oka Svanstead. And fresh off the cones, in between them and splitting late, slip sliding away, coming on through. Paulina Hanover is closing. Sierra Girl slip sliding away. Then Sierra Girl. And then it was Paulina Hanover. Flying late was Graceful Design. Was closed there with Go for Gaga. 154-4. Photo for win 154-4. In the photo, 8 slip sliding away was first, beating her stablemate, the 1 Sierra Girl second, 3 Paulina Hanover third, and 9 Go for Gaga fourth. 8-1-3-9. Judges have posted the inquiry sign. Inquiry sign is up. It deals with the 1 Sierra Girl. Dealing with the second place finisher, the 1 Sierra Girl. Continue to hold on to all tickets. A look at the judge's inquiry being shown now on your TV monitors, dealing with the 1 Sierra Girl and Oka Svanstead and her conduct around that turn, that first turn. This is for a possible pylon violation in the first turn. Possible pylon violation in the first turn by the 1 Sierra Girl. It's being shown now on your TV monitors and on the infield jumbotron. In the meantime, 8 slip sliding away, a 2-year-old bay filly by Father Patrick out of Ice Attraction by Muscle Hill. Bred in New York by Jeff Corral's Little E and Okasfonstead, New Jersey, owned by Marvin and Lynn Katz of Toronto, Ontario, and Al Lipfeld, Pickering, Ontario. Okasfonstead trains Hall of Fame driver Tim Tetrick with a double tonight. Slip sliding away, second career victory in 3 starts, a new mark of 154 and 4. In the Kindergarten Series, sponsored by Crawford Farms, slip sliding away. No reason for a placing here by the 1 Sierra Girl. Result will stand. 8-1-3-9. The 1 Sierra Girl did hit 2 pylons, went inside 1 pylon, and does not violate the pylon rule. So no pylon violation by the 1 Sierra Girl in race 10. 8-1-3-9. Teams Fonstead 1-2 here in this Kindergarten Series division. Race 10 is official. Number 8 slip sliding away.